Mercy, you may remember, is that time where God does not strike you down for what you have done, where you're forgiven despite your sin. And grace is God offering you a pardon or forgiveness for that very act. Mercy and grace are perhaps the first things we have received. And we're called by God to extend that same compassion and love to all, especially to those who we find unworthy or are offended by. The extending compassion is difficult, isn't it? The idea that we share love openly with the strangest of people, especially those who we may have deemed as unworthy or undeserving somehow. That's not an easy task, but it's exactly what Christ calls us to do.